The day many predicted would arrive if Governor Ron DeSantis' redistricting map became law, and it did. Opponents challenging this new map will be in court this morning, asking a judge to put a hold on these districts for now at least. Renata DiGregorio joining us live with what is expected to happen here in today's hearing. Renata?
Lou, we'll hear from plaintiffs. The plaintiffs' legal team tells us we'll hear from the witnesses on both sides of this, expert witnesses as well. Now, this is the lawsuit that was filed the same day that Governor Ron DeSantis signed off on these new congressional maps. And this is where protesters stood when they promised that this lawsuit would happen. Florida's redistricting fight moving from the House floor and City Hall steps to the courtroom.
Preliminary injunction hearing.
Olivia Mendoza is with the National Redistricting Foundation. She's on the press call held by plaintiffs in this state redistricting lawsuit, seeking to halt implementation of the governor's map, which dissolves Florida's 5th congressional district, while the case goes through the court system. The lawsuit alleges the map violates Florida's Constitution and the voter-approved Fair Districts Amendment by reducing the strength of black voters.
We're not in a world where we're trying to create a map from scratch. There are many examples of maps, constitutional maps. We believe there are constitutional maps that were submitted and even voted on and approved through the legislative process. With this lawsuit, Florida Rising and our partners hope to ensure that no person is above the law.
In a filing Monday, defendants argued the old map was racially gerrymandered. Governor Ron DeSantis is not listed as a defendant in this case. However, here's what he's said in regard to redistricting lawsuits.
You know, we're confident that that will hold up in court. I am not confident the other way would have held up in court.
We reached out to each defendant for comment and either didn't get a response or was told they won't comment on pending litigation. In a motion filed as a response to the lawsuit by the Attorney General's office, the Attorney General states that they believe they are an improper defendant. Now, other defendants include the Florida Secretary of State, Florida Attorney General, the President and Speaker of the Florida Senate and House, chairs of the redistricting committees, and the Florida House and Senate as a whole. Renata DiGregorio, live in Jacksonville. First Coast News on your side.